In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search eBay by image. This is a handy skill if you have a photo of an item and you want to find similar listings on eBay, whether it's to compare prices, verify authenticity, or simply to discover more about the item you have. The process is straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Google Images. Just open your browser and type in Google Images, or directly go to images.google.com. This is a powerful tool many people use to find visual content, but today we'll utilize it to narrow our search to eBay. Once you're on the Google Images page, you'll notice a small camera icon right in the search bar. Click on this camera icon to start your search by image. This feature allows you to use an image as your search query instead of text, which can be incredibly useful when you have a photo that you want more information on. Now, after you've clicked the camera icon, you will see options to either paste an image URL or upload an image from your device. If you have the image stored on your computer or phone, click on Upload an image, then either drag your photo into the upload area or click to browse your files and select it. Alternatively, if you have the image online and know its URL, you can paste the URL directly. This flexibility makes it convenient no matter how you have the image. Once you have your image uploaded or URL pasted, Google will start searching through its vast database to find visually similar results. Here's where a little hack comes into play to refine your results specifically for eBay. You'll want to take a look at your search results and locate the search bar once more. In the search bar, add the text "cite ebay.com" after your description. What this does is it directs Google to filter all your image results to only show those coming from ebay.com. By using this search operator, you're effectively telling Google to limit its search to eBay, which means you'll only see listings from that site. This is incredibly useful for ensuring the listings you're browsing are authentic eBay listings, thus saving time. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently search eBay by image, unlocking a whole new way to find products, compare prices, or even identify items you stumble across in interesting places. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try this method with different images to become more comfortable with the process. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this technique as useful as I do.